We were initially on the Talladega entry list. The sponsor that we had for the Talladega weekend was not approved. Mistakes are made and my name wasn't taken off. Sadly, I couldn't be there.
That's some real bull.
I know.
NASCAR fans. Today, we're diving into the shocking news around Natalie Decker's unexpected withdrawal from the Talladega Xfinity Series. The young DGM racing driver and social media personality, Decker, was scheduled to make her second appearance in the 2024 NASCAR Xfinity season. But what exactly happened? Let's find out as we got an exclusive interview with the lady herself. Plus, she also shares how Olympic champion Simone Biles is inspiring her approach to her racing career. Buckle up, because this is one story you don't want to miss. But before that, do subscribe to the channel, and for more in-depth analysis, subscribe to the newsletter. Natalie Decker, a promising driver for DGM Racing, was set to compete at the iconic Talladega Superspeedway. Fresh off a respectable finish at Daytona, where she clinched 18th place, expectations were high. Fans were left stunned when they saw DGM Racing withdrew their number 36 Chevy from the lineup, while her name showed on the list on social media. However, Decker too was disappointed at not being able to participate in the Xfinity race at Talladega. So, what went wrong? Early speculations from fans and insiders suggest that financial issues, particularly around sponsorship, played a significant role. Racing at this level is expensive, and without sufficient sponsor backing, even well-performing drivers can find themselves sidelined. But wait fans, let's hear it from Natalie herself as to what exactly happened. In an interview, Natalie revealed the real reason.
Recent withdrawal from Talladega Superspeedway race has left fans speculating about the reasons behind it. Can you shed some light on the decision and what led to it?
We were initially on the Talladega entry list in the 36 with DGM Racing. That was pending on a sponsor that was trying to get approved through NASCAR. So all your sponsorships, paint schemes, everything has to get approved through NASCAR. And the sponsor that we had for the Talladega weekend was not approved. And we knew that a few days before the entry list was getting released to the public, and mistakes are made and my name wasn't taken off. So it was very confusing. And earlier today, I finally put out a statement because I realized a lot of people were thinking all sorts of things, and I just tried to clear the air earlier today. That's the reason, is my sponsor was not cleared through NASCAR, so sadly I couldn't be there.
That's some real bull.
I know.
And this isn't just about a race, it's about the harsh realities of motorsport, where logistics and sponsorships weigh as much as talent and speed. Natalie's transparency sheds light on the often unseen struggles behind the scenes. Amidst this chaos, Natalie found a unique source of motivation from none other than Olympic gymnast Simone Biles. Natalie shared in the interview how Biles' approach to privacy and dealing with public expectations has inspired her own career strategy.
I was recently listening to a podcast. It's called Call Her Daddy. And she was interviewing, her name is Alex, and she was interviewing Simone, the gymnast. And I heard her say that she recently stopped sharing her goals publicly, and it was life-changing. So after hearing that, because I've always shared my goals, and after hearing that though, and the reasoning why she stopped doing that, because then random people in the public were holding her to expectation up to her goals, and then if she never achieved them, she let herself down, and everyone else, thousands and thousands, millions of people. And after hearing her talk about that, I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna start doing that. Is my goals for my career in racing and my relationship, I am gonna start being a little bit more silent about my goals, see if it helps me achieve them or not feel so much pressure about the goals that I have have a feeling that I'm gonna really like the rest of the year not sharing publicly all of my goals. So sorry about that. I'm not gonna share them.
That's an incredible answer. I'd never heard that before. Yeah, man, Simone Biles is impressive, but I guess sometimes when you tell so many people about things you want to do and it doesn't happen, the disappointment you feel about people asking you questions about your goals does suck. It sucks.
It does.
Already, right?
Right.
Oh,
yeah.
Right,
well, just think if you had a really good idea for a business idea that was going to make you a lot of money, or a goal you had for your company, you wouldn't share it.
Right? You wouldn't.
Despite the setback at Talladega, Natalie remains determined. She hinted at exciting future plans and a renewed focus on her racing career. With several more races this season, we're eager to see how she bounces back and whether her new approach will pave the way for success. What do you think about Natalie Decker not being able to race at the Talladega Speedway? Can she turn her season around? What are your thoughts on her taking inspiration from Simone Biles? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For more NASCAR action and behind the scenes stories, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. Until next time, keep the conversation going on. Lucky Dog on Track.